Day 15 with Daniel opening up his pack, trying to find Charizard. Let's see what you got, Nate. Alright, let's see what you got, buddy. Lately.
You got the unicorn.
Keep going. I think that's gonna be your best card though in your whole pack.
Bulbasaur. My name is Bulbasaur. Got monkey. Apon. Ipon.
Okay, what's next?
Monkey.
What'd you get?
I got the A ever made Charmander.
Oh wow. A Charmander.
Which one's the best? Bulbasaur.
Awesome, bro.
Charmander. Which one's better though?
I like them both. Just depends on you. Alright, let's go. What's next?
This is the one that I've been talking about. Eevee.
You found Eevee?
Yeah, weren't we talking about this?
Mm-hmm.
I think we got a good card, Dad.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, next one. I got Onyx.
How do you say it?
Onyx?
How you pronounce the X? Onyx.
Onyx. Oh. Onyx. Sounds like our old cat. Onyx.
It is like an old cat, Onyx.
Yeah. Oh, I got a little bird.
Okay.
Pikachu. No, it's not Pikachu. It's a little